Mix these 4 ingredients to have a big power as a man. These 4 ingredients, once you blend these 4 ingredients, they will help you to power like a horse. They will help you to be the best man you want to be. They will energize you. They will boost up your immune system. They will help you to have a thick and quality sperm as a man. And besides, you will have enough energy, stamina, and have more power to do your job as a man. So before I proceed on the 4 ingredients you are going to mix, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you are new on this channel, maybe today is your first time to come across this channel, consider today to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the 4 best fruits you need to blend in order to power like a horse, in order to have big power as a man, be the champion in everything you are doing as a man, and have more power like never before? With these 4 ingredients, you will perform well. What are the 4 ingredients? The 4 ingredients are: number 1, purple. Very important. The ripe purple, especially the soft one. Ripe purple, the soft one. Number 2 is banana. Banana. Number 3 is apple. Apple. Whether the green one or the red one, apple is apple. And the last is milk. These are the 4 ingredients you are going to mix to power like a horse. But in case if you cannot blend, you can bring these 4 ingredients, consume 4 of them at the same time. After taking purple, you can take apple. After taking apple, you can take banana and drink milk. You will still get results. So remove the seed of the purple and put it in a blender. Also add apple and add milk and banana. Blend all this. Do not boil. Do not heat. Do not filter. Take the recipe just like that. You will have more energy. You will see that this recipe will energize you. Within 30 minutes to 1 hour, you will have more energy. You will be the best man you want to be. And most especially, as a man, it will also help you to last longer. It will make you to have a good sperm and also energize you and give you more energy and power. That is enough stamina. This juice is very important. I do take them to energize myself. I do take them to be the best I want to be. Ever since I started taking these natural ingredients, my life is no longer the same. I take fruits a lot. I take fruit more than food. So I value fruits more than anything that any man can eat. So if you can keep taking fruits on daily basis, do it consistently for 1 month, you will see that you will be the best man you ever think of. So this is the recipe I want to share with you people in today's video. If you have questions, put it down in the comment section below. I will reply your comments and questions as soon as possible. Subscribe to be a member of this channel. Hit the like button and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck. Bye for now.